The opening of video is shown in animation. It is about assistive devices for daily living. The assistive devices shown in this video are for informational and educational purposes only and may not be suitable for specific scenarios. Please consult medical professionals should you have any queries regarding the applicability of assistive devices for individual use. The words of transfer and safety, alarms and sensors, chair sensor pad and floor sensor mat are shown on the screen.
Alarms and sensors, chair sensor pad and floor sensor mat.
The screen shows the words, suitable targets of using the alarms and sensors, chair sensor pad and floor sensor mat
Are suitable for elders who are prone to fall and wandering.
The screen shows a female carer installs the alarm and connects different sensors including the floor sensor mat and chair sensor pad.
Alarms and sensors should be installed and used properly according to the instructions manual.
The screen shows the female carer test the usage after installing the alarms and sensors.
They should be checked regularly to ensure proper functioning.
The screen shows the words, using the alarms and sensors, floor sensor mat. The sensor is triggered when the elderly man steps on the floor sensor mat.
If the elder walks out of the door on his or her own, the sensor will be triggered when being stepped on. The alarm could alert the carer to provide immediate assistance.
The screen shows the words, using the alarms and sensors, chair sensor pad. The sensor is triggered when the elderly man tries to leave his seat. It alerted a female carer to check on his needs.
If the elder makes attempt to leave the seat, the sensor will be triggered, and the alarm could alert the carer to check on the elder's needs. In case of doubt, consult your occupational therapist or medical professionals for advice.
The screen shows the words and repeated the important information when using the alarms and sensors, chair sensor pad and floor sensor mat. The screen shows the disclaimer in words. The Department of Health owns the copyright of this video. This is produced solely for non-commercial use. It should not be rented, sold or otherwise used for profit-making purposes.